So what I have for you today is a lint remover that is not removing lints because it does not start. As you can see, I'm pressing the button and nothing happens. It has battery. I charged it to check and no longer works. So let's see what's wrong. Let's start by opening this deposit where usually the lint is accumulated when it is able to remove. We can see 4 screws. Let's then take this protection for the blades to reveal the blades, and here we see a security push button, so when the lid is on it should be safe to use and start. So we press the button and as you can see it started working. So we found the issue, it was pretty quick. It's this little security button that is not working properly. So we will move on to start removing screws and see what the problem is. So with the screws removed, let's then try to take this lid off. It's not coming off. Let's just check under here. Yeah, I can see a screw at least that is holding still this together. Let's then remove the blades. So with these 2 extra screws removed, let's take off this little lid, and we have one other lid that protects this switch. Let's then remove this lid to reveal what's wrong inside. So I can see that this is broken. It has like a plastic solder, and the little copper pads should touch each other when the button goes down, and obviously that is not happening because this is loose. It should be on there. So let's do a quick test to see if we manage to put it to work, so we can then fix it. So I'll put them touching each other and press the button, and as you can see it is working. So let's just fix this and see if we have a working lint remover. So the best solution that I came up with is hot snot. I have the hot snot gun heating up. I'm just trying to put this copper pad on the place where it should be. It's quite hard because the wiring is so short, so unfortunately you cannot see it on camera, but that is what I am doing. So the plan is to put it in place, and with this hot snot, once it hardens, then the copper pad won't leave that place because the button is not that hard. So this hot snot is here since Christmas, so it's a glitter hot snot and it's green. But well, I'm not just going to get a transparent one, so just leave it as is. It will be hidden and it's for use in the house, so it's okay. So let's now leave the hot snot to harden a little bit, and then we will place a little bit more on the back part of this pad for it to get hard and solid. So let's put it back together and test to see if our lint remover is or is not working. So here we have a wool sweater with lint, and let's see if our lint remover removes the lint. So we need to press it a little bit for it to do its job, and apparently it is removing some lint. Let's now open the little deposit to see if some lint has been removed or not, and there it is. We have lint. So it's working as it should. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a quick fix, and if you liked, leave it a thumbs up and leave a subscription on the channel, which I will thank you for in advance. See you on the next video.